Bruschetta's ready. Ooh, yes. Oh, better wait till the tomatoes cool down.
Thank you. And thank you so much for having us. You have the coolest friends.
Wait till you meet Roger. He has the cutest little parrot that he carries around everywhere.
A bird?
Yeah.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Roger. Oh, where's Lionel?
Oh, he's at the vet. I'm sorry, I should have told you.
Oh, poor Lionel.
He's fine. He's just a little sick, you know. But for those that don't know, I usually have a bird right here, you know. So the outfit, you know, it makes a little bit more sense, right? You know, the Hawaiian shirt, the cargo shorts, the ponytail.
Whoa.
You like that? But if it seems a little weird, just remember I'm usually like a bird guy. So, yeah.
Really, really glad you came, Roger. So, Yvonne, did I hear that you say you like to watch movies in theaters every week?
I try to go at least once a week. I just love the experience.
Yeah, it's just like a little weird. They're not nibbling on my ear and stuff. Like it's pretty bizarre. Oh my gosh, did the conversation just move on to Yvonne?
Yeah.
My bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so used to being the center of attention when I have my bird. You know, the whole time it's just how fascinating he is, how cool our relationship is. But please go on. Please.
Oh yeah. What was I saying? Going to the theater and being in the seats and the surround sound. You're just fully immersed.
Oh, do you think you could pinch my shoulder a little bit to simulate like a bird? No? Okay. No problem, man. I can just self-pinch.
Hey, I think the bruschetta is perfect now, so please.
Oh, awesome. I love bruschetta.
Yeah.
Love this.
But just streaming is just so convenient. And is it just me, or does it feel like movies are just too long to watch in one sitting?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah. Oh.
Stop.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. Normally Lionel's right there and he catches those in his mouth. Yeah. Oh man.
I would say for me, it's kind of a movie by movie basis. Like if it's a big blockbuster, I want to see it with a crowd. But
Is this really what you guys talk about when there's no bird?
You mean movies?
Movies? You guys aren't talking about movies. You're just talking about different ways you watch them out of two possible ways. If Lionel was here, we would be doing puzzle tricks and he'd be saying his catchphrase, "Cowabunga!" Man, I really ruined your party, Christine.
Roger, can you please just eat some bruschetta and enjoy the party?
Oh my gosh!
And just
oh my gosh! That's me. That's me. This is super important. Oh my gosh! Yes. Yeah. Okay. And you tried everything? All right.
is it the bird? Did he pass on?
Yeah. They had to cut his little feet off, and he's never gonna perch again.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so okay. Oh.
It's like they make these slings for parrots that don't have any feet, so I guess maybe I'll just have them right here or something. I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna really miss the weight on my shoulder. Thanks. Thank you. That hurts. I think 3's too much.